How to manage your online ordering website. So first, log in sa account mo. And then, dito sa left side, sa baba, under settings, meron po yan, online website. Click po yung online website, lalabas po yung online ordering link natin. You can copy it, you can open the website, right? Para makita mo kung anong view niya. Okay, sa baba, store hours, opening, and closing. Pause, online ordering when closed. Tapos, if merong mga restaurant na only pick up lang, walang delivery, you can do that as well. You can choose. Pero if pick up and delivery, choose that. Okay? Then, for delivery fees, you can choose by zone or which is, by area. And then by distance. Also, dito sa baba, include the delivery fee in the order total. Kung gusto mo na babayaran ni customer, included na ang delivery fee sa order total, check nyo lang yan. Pero kung gusto nyo na only food cost ang lalabas sa order total, tapos si customer na yung magbabayad kay rider for delivery fee, uncheck na po yan. Okay? Tapos, if you want na include yung PIN ng location ng customer, check nyo lang po yan. Pero, if in case ayaw ninyo, just the address lang ng customer, wala ng PIN of the maps, uncheck nyo lang po yan. Okay? Now, if meron namang option na gusto niyo si customers mismo mag-book ng rider, Lalamove, Grab, you can check that. Tapos, lagay mo yung note dito, please book Lalamove, Grab rider to pick up your order once we confirm it's ready. We'll message you when to book. Okay? Ganun po. Tapos, sa distance by delivery, you can edit this one. Base fee, yung per kilometer, magkano. And then, don't forget, kailangan po dito, nakapin po dito yung location ng store ninyo. Alright? Kung saan located yung store, kailangan nakapin po siya. Kasi yan pagbabasihan ng delivery distance natin. Sa payment methods naman, if you want to show the VAT 12% included at checkout, check nyo lang. If you want to accept cash on delivery, you can check that one as well. Kung mag-charge kayo ng COD fee, check that one. If you charge food packaging fee, check that one. Now, if you want the GCash mode of payment, check nyo lang yung GCash. Lagay nyo yung account name, phone number, and then your QR code. Same with Maya and also with bank transfer QR. Now, if you want to accept advance bookings, check nyo lang po yan. And then save storefront settings. Okay, ganun lang po kasimple pag settings ng ating online ordering system. You can read it. Meron po yung mga instructions dyan. What is this for? What is this for? What is this for? Okay, basahin nyo lang po para maintindihan. Again, meron na rin also siyang QR code to scan. Okay, so ang kagandahan, if you have like, let's say, mga food cart, pwede ninyong isama itong QR code para makapag-order sila online directly. Diba? Maganda. Alright, that's it. Thanks.